Minister Shri Narendra Modi inaugurated the Sikkim Organic Festival 2016 and addressed the plenary session of the National Conference on Sustainable Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare at Gangtok, Sikkim on the 18th of January. He was welcomed warmly at the Chintan Bhavan by Governor Shri Srinivas Patil and Chief Minister Shri Pawan Chamling with traditional khada and bouquet of flowers. The mega event started with a lilting song eulogizing Sikkim and its thrust on organic farming by youth of the state. This was followed by a film on the state's journey towards becoming organic, use of biofertilizers, etc. Five presentations on reports of different groups of agricultural experts and economists were made to the Prime Minister on the occasion, which delved on important issues like how public investment on agriculture has dipped from 42% to 15% and how it should be increased, need for updation of land records, need for skilling centers for rural youth, need to reduce interest on loans taken by farmers, etc.
Higher public investment is essential for growth and it also promotes private investment. When we talk about gross capital formation in agriculture, and its ratio with GDP for agriculture, it is 12.7% in 1991, which has increased to 21.2%. But sir, when we talk about ratio of gross capital formation in agriculture vis-a-vis GDP overall, it has stagnated at 3% for last 2 decades.
The presentations were followed by Prime Minister digitally launching the logo of Sikkim Organic, followed by launching of 3 new orchid species developed in Sikkim. 2 of these were named Sardar and Deen Dayal by the Prime Minister, paying homage to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay. The last orchid, pink in color, was named Namo after Prime Minister Narendra Modi by Chief Minister Chamling. Thereafter, the Prime Minister handed over 2 commendations to Sikkim Chief Minister for the state's journey towards total organic farming. These were from the Ministry of Agriculture and from EPIDA under the Ministry of Commerce. The Prime Minister also released 2 books published by the Government of Sikkim, namely The Journey of Fully Organic State and Transforming Rural Sikkim Year-Round Organic Crop Production. Addressing the mammoth gathering, Chief Minister Chamling implored the Prime Minister to take the message of Sikkim's becoming organic and chemical-free to the world. The Chief Minister urged the Prime Minister to render scheduled tribe status to tribal people of Sikkim, exempt 30,000 odd people still under the income tax bracket from the same, reserve seats for Limbu and Tamang communities in Sikkim Legislative Assembly, make available subsidized biofertilizers to farmers of Sikkim and so on.
मैं प्रार्थना करना चाहूँगा कि जिस तरह से हिमाचल प्रदेश के जौनसरी जिला के सभी लोगों को जनजाति की मान्यता दी हुई है, मिली हुई हैं, ठीक उसी तरह सिक्किम के लोगों को भी जनजाति की मान्यता दी जाए। और केंद्रीय कर से वंचित रहे लगभग 30,000 आबादी के लिए केंद्रीय कर की छूट दी जाए।
In his address, Prime Minister paid homage to former Governor of Sikkim, late Sri Rama Rao, and praised Sikkim Chief Minister for his vision of welfare for farmers and tribes. He said there is a huge market for organic products in the whole world and urged other states to follow Sikkim's example.
कि जब दुनिया में जैविक उत्पादन की बड़ी मांग है, कृषि उत्पादन की एक बहुत बड़ा मार्केट है और एक प्रकार से जीरो कॉस्ट कृषि की तरफ जाने का जो अभियान कुछ लोग चलाते हैं उसके अनुकूल भी है। हम व्यूहात्मक दृष्टि से स्ट्रेटेजिकली राज्य का कोई एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट पकड़े, पहले तय करेंगे एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट को पूरी तरह जैविक करेंगे। अगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट करने की ताकत नहीं तो एक ब्लॉक पकड़े, तालुका बोलते होंगे, ब्लॉक बोलते होंगे, जो बोलते होंगे, जिसमें 100, 125, 150 गांव हो, एक पूरा इलाका पकड़े और एक बार उस पूरे इलाके को करके दिखाएं। यह कार्यक्रम बड़ा लंबा चलता है क्योंकि इसमें एक साल अगर फर्टिलाइजर या पेस्टिसाइड्स का उपयोग नहीं किया तो बात बनती नहीं है। इसकी एक लंबी प्रक्रिया है और उसके स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट कर करके किसानों को गाइड करना, उनको जो आवश्यकता है वो प्रोवाइड करना और उनके मार्केटिंग तक की व्यवस्था को खड़ा करना। अगर एक ब्लॉक या एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट सफल हो गया तो बाकी जगह पे अपने आप होना शुरू हो जाएगा।
He urged farmers to grow timber on the periphery of their farms, install solar panels on their field boundaries, and also start animal husbandry on the sides of farming.
प्रमुखतया 3 हिस्सों में बांट सकते हैं क्या? एक, वो जो रेगुलर खेती करता है, परंपरागत खेती करता है वो। दूसरा, वो पेड़ की खेती करे, ट्री, वृक्ष की खेती। हमारा देश आज इतना टिम्बर इंपोर्ट करता है, फर्नीचर के लिए इतना टिम्बर इंपोर्ट करता है। अगर हमारा देश के किसान को खेत के किनारे पर जहां उसकी जमीन पूरी होती है वहां अगर वो टिम्बर लगाता है और 20 साल के बाद वो उसका पेड़ बड़ा हो जाता है, उसको काटने का अधिकार दिया जाए और बेचने का अधिकार दिया जाए। अगर उसके घर में बेटी पैदा हुई हो और टिम्बर के 2 पेड़ लगा दें तो बेटी की शादी करनी होगी, तब उस 2 पेड़ में से शादी का खर्चा निकल जाएगा। क्यों ना हम हमारे किसान को टिम्बर की खेती के लिए प्रेरित करें। तीसरी बात है एनिमल हस्बेंड्री। 1/3 उसका पूरी व्यवस्था का हिस्सा, चाहे पशुपालन करें, चाहे फिशरीज का करें, चाहे पोल्ट्री का करें, ये उसका हिस्सा है और सहज रूप से वो बाय प्रोडक्ट के रूप में मिल सकता है। ये 3 हिस्सों में 1/3 किसान का आपको फोकस करेगा तो एक आध बार फसल खराब हो जाएगी तो एनिमल हस्बेंड्री से गुजारा चल जाएगा, कभी टिम्बर से गुजारा विशेष अवसर आए तो निकल जाएगा, कभी हमारे किसान को असहाय होने की नौबत नहीं आएगी।
Other important announcements included the government's plan to expedite airport in Sikkim, urging of farmers to start insuring their crops, getting into horticulture, opening soil health labs, etc. Union Minister for Forests, Environment and Climate Change, Prakash Javadekar, visited earthquake-hit Manipur capital Imphal on a 2-day visit on the 8th of January. Accompanied by Manipur BJP President T.H. Chauba Singh, he inspected the iconic Ima Kaithal or Mother's Market, which was devastated by the natural disaster and which has rendered its approximate 5,000 odd women vendors incapable of selling from the premises as usual. The Lakshmi Market and New Market in the Ima Kaithal were recently declared unsafe by IIT Roorkee, saying that the buildings needed repairing. During the visit to the market exclusively run by women, Javadekar talked to the women vendors, now observing an indefinite protest against the Manipur government over the destruction caused to the market due to the tremor. They have demanded that new buildings be constructed for the Ima Kaithel immediately.
Ima Kaithel sisi ninghayena adum Facebook ta thagale na ngang na adu ayasi kapieba kapian o akhoi nongmagi chara talaga sida phamaga nongmagi jibika oijari ni adu kaira di akhoi amona phangba phangidra ne na kapieba ima mama che adu yam nungaitabadi phawe akhoi wakhanda ada athuba matamda akhoi gi phamnaba je phambam je amadi akhoi yam thuba matamda sidiba pame sarkar ki saitagi.
The Union Forest Minister expressed shock that the market built only 5 years back was damaged, while several old buildings remained intact.
I came here to see, because Ima Market, Lakshmi Market, all are very important, and they are all women shopkeepers here and entrepreneurs, and therefore I came to see how it has happened that old private buildings of 60 years are untouched and they are not destroyed, and how come this 5-year-old building are newly constructed, only government buildings are collapsing and private buildings are not collapsing. That's also but I'm not an expert in it, so expert will tell. But I have seen, I'll report to the concerned ministry what I have seen.